Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and let's get right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another video for you, and today I'm doing a step-by-step acrylic nails, because a lot of you guys were saying that you're going to stay home and do your acrylic nails. So this is just step-by-step of what you can do at home to do your acrylic nails. So all you would need is just some drill bits, a drill. If you want, you can hand file if that's your preference. You're going to need nail tips, some glue, monomer and acrylic, a nail brush, any color of like nail polish or gel polish, a nail lamp if that's something that you want to use. If you want to use gel polish, there's a lot of things that you can cut down in this video, but I'm just going to show you like professional nails and like what we would use in the nail salon. So right here I'm just pushing back my cuticles, and then I would cut the cuticle if that's something that I would want, like my preference. I don't like to cut the cuticle much, but when there's like just a little bit of skin hanging, I will just nip it. And right here I am going to be cutting my nails. If they were longer, I would definitely cut them, because when adding nail tips, you want more of the nail tip than you want more acrylic than you do nail tip. So the longer your nails are, the more nail tip it's gonna take. So definitely cut your nails, that way they can last a little bit longer, if that makes sense. So some of this stuff is other than your preference. Like if you don't want to sit here and, you know, push back your cuticles and stuff like that, you really don't have to. So now I'm just taking my drill and my cuticle bits. You don't need one of these. You could just use it with a sanding band if you don't have a cuticle bit. I'm just showing you like a little bit of like professional but also like beginner. And right here I'm just taking off a little bit of the skin that I have with this cuticle bit. It's just the easiest way that I can do it without having to cut the cuticles. And then you can hand file and just prep your nails. Hand filing, it's not much to prep your nails. So what I would do is in the beginning, I would normally just spray my nails with alcohol, or my clients' nails, or I have them wash their hands. It just depends on what their nails and their hands are looking like. But you would want to spray something on them, like a disinfectant kind of thing, just to make sure that there's no germs or anything, and you're going in with a clean slate. And right here, I'm going to be buffing the nail with a fine sanding bit. Not fine sanding bit. Oh, what is it called? A fine sanding bit. Sanding bit? Yeah, and just taking off the shine so that way the nails can stick with the glue. And right here, I'm just going to be making sure that my nail tips fit from sidewall to sidewall. You want to make sure they are not too big and not too small, because that does cause lifting and it does cause other problems. So this is way better than having to go through all of that, and making sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall. I'm just using regular nail glue that I got from my local supply store. Oh my god, I can't talk today. And these nail tips are from EJUIBAS. I am starting to love them. You guys know that I swear by eating nail tips, but these tips right here, honey, yes, I love them. Come through. I love them, and they're super cheap. I will link everything in the description box for you guys so you can enter to win. And then if I wanted a different shape, I would definitely cut them. I have a shaping video that I will link in the description box down below that I just did recently, so you guys can check that out. But if I wanted to do a different shape, I would do it at that time and then shape them up. I didn't want to do a different shape. I wanted to keep them very simple, so that way you guys can see this step by step and learn this first and then learn the shaping and things like that. So yeah, so right here I'm going to be just taking some primer and adding that to my nail beds. I don't add it to the nail tip. You'll see me telling you not to add it to the nail tip. It's not necessary. You don't need it. It's just something that you don't need to add to the nail tips, just the natural nail where it is prepped. Other than that, I'm going to be taking my nail brush and just going in with a 2-bead method, and that's all that I will be doing. It's super easy, super quick. once I'm done with applying my acrylic, I will go in with a nail drill, which I'm going to be talking through that part, so I won't tell you in this part what it is. Other than that, I just want you to sit here and enjoy this part of me adding acrylic so you guys can see what I'm doing, and I won't be talking and bothering you guys. So I'm just going to leave this right here, and I will see you in the next step. So once I am done applying the acrylic, I just go in with a file. This is a 100 by 180 nail grit file. I'm just going to be shaping them up. I wanted to do like a tapered square coffin look. So that's what I went with. And normally, if you, like I said, if you wanted to do a different shape, you would shape them up before, just because it's a lot easier. I will link my shaping video down below in the description box so you guys can check that out. And this is just the easiest way to do acrylic nails. Don't overthink it, you guys. Just do it. Don't overthink it. Add primer and just step by step do what you need to do the acrylic nails. It's super easy. You just got to keep your mind to it. Keep practicing. You're not going to learn it in a day. So just keep going, keep practicing. I promise you will get it. If you are hand filing, this is the same file that you would use. You wouldn't have to use any other file, but I am going to be using a drill just because it's super easy. And in my last shaping video, I am giving away a nail drill, so definitely check that out so you can have a chance to win a nail drill if that's something that you would like to do. Other than that, yeah, I'm just going to be shaping them up here, and then I'm going to be going in with the nail drill. And then once I'm done with that, I would wash my hands. Well, no, I would buff them and then wash my hands, and I would apply my color. So I didn't go into applying color and all that stuff. I just wanted to show you the layout and how I lay down my acrylic and things like that. And yeah, just like a beginner friendly step-by-step how to apply acrylic nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below. I will definitely answer your questions for you. Other than that, I don't have anything else to say. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload. And give this video a nice big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I hope you guys enjoy. And I will see you in my next video.